Hello friend, this is Krish in this video. Hello friend, this is Krish in this video. I am going to discuss about some basic concept of economics. So first of all, we will see the word meaning of economics, which is made up of a Greek word, which is oikonomia, which made up of two words, that is okios, which means house, and nomos, that is distribute. That is the household management or management of house affairs is referred as economics. Okay, the proper definition of economics is the study of how individual and society make decision about ways to use scarce resources to fulfill wants and need is called economics. Why is the need of economics? Basically, if we see, if you utilize the things, any object, and minimum resources to fulfill needs. Okay, so the economics is developed. A father of economics in world, Adam Smith, he has written a book that is Wealth of Nation. A father of economics in India, Dr. M. Visvesvaraya, Mokshgundam Visvesvaraya, father of economics in India. He has given a concept, economic planning in India. Okay, for the development and growth of a country, there is a plans of 5 years, which is coming into the topic of economic planning in India. So Sir M. Visvesvaraya is known as the father of planning in India, which is taken from the Russian concept. Okay, in Russia there is a concept of economic planning. So Sir M. Visvesvaraya has taken the concept economic planning in India from Russia. Father of macroeconomics, if you talk about, which is John Maynard Keynes. Theory given by him, general theory of employment, interest, money. Given by theory given by John Maynard Keynes, economist. Alfred, a very popular economist, Alfred Marshall, given a concept of welfare state, which is a standard supply and demand graph, also understand by the graph of standard supply and demand. Economist Lord Robbins, given a concept of significance of economic science. Father of modern economy, Pauline A. Samuelson, growth concept he has given, and concept of growth, that is resonance and hybridization. Hybridization is a process in which high yielding variety seeds are used to produce major production of any crops, which is actually the new technological advancement for the major production of crops. Father of green revolution in world, if we talk about, which is Norman E. Borlaug. Facts: American agrologist, Nobel Prize winner 1970. Yes, Norman E. Borlaug is referred as, known as the father of green revolution in world. He is an American agrologist. Agrologist means what? Agro is the word related to agriculture, and logist is the knowledgeable man of agriculture science. So he was a famous agrologist and Nobel Prize winner in 1970 in the area of agriculture science. Father of green revolution in India, M.S. Swaminathan. Important point, father of economic and ecology also. M.S. Swaminathan is the father of green revolution in India. Also he is the father of economic ecology. Okay, here HYVS is actually seeds type. Okay, high yielding variety seeds which are used in the green revolution for the production of wheat crops. Father of drain of wealth, if we talk about 1867 in India, Dada Bhai Naroji, drain of wealth 1867, also known as Grand Old Man of India. He has written a famous book which is Poverty and Un-British Rule. Father of statistics in India, Sir P.C. Mahalanobis. Yes, if you talk about second, I think second 5-year plan, which is based on P.C. Mahalanobis model. First 5-year plan is based on HD model, that is Harrod-Domer model, but second 5-year plan is on the basis of this famous personality economist, that is Sir P.C. Mahalanobis. So second 5-year plan is based on P.C. Mahalanobis model. 29th June is celebrated as Statistics Day of India. This is all about the basic concept of economics. In the next video, we will see the national income. Okay, it is nothing but in a financial year, one financial year, that is 1st April to 31st March is known as financial year. So the total goods and services produced in a financial year, and if you take the monetary value of the goods and services, so the national income of a country is can be calculated. Okay, so Professor P.C. Mahalanobis 1947 and Central Statistical Organization CSO, which is converted in now National Statistical Organization NSO. According to J.M. Keynes, a famous economist, defined national income as follow. National income is the money value of all goods and services produced in a country during a financial year, that is 1st March to 1st April to 31st March. Okay, according to CSO, that is Central Statistical Office, the source of income divided into 4 parts, that is which is rent, profit, wages and interest. On these terms which are helpful in calculation of national income. Gross domestic product, what is GDP? It is nothing but a monetary value, that is the money value of final goods and services. Total in financial year, how it is basically the initial step to calculate national income. So there is some factor which will excluded for the calculation to calculation of national income. So national income can be GDP, but some factors are working here, so this will be excluded. So it is a money value of all final goods and services produced in a domestic territory. That means in a country. Domestic territory means what? In a boundary of country, there is total production of goods and total provided services. If you take the monetary values of basically these two, you will get the GDP of that country during an accounting year. Accounting year is different from financial year. Okay, so come to the next step, Amartya Sen formula, which is equal to W equal to U plus 1 minus G. Here W is welfare, okay, social welfare. U is per capita income, means income of per person, per capita income, which is calculated by total population by per capita income, na? Total population by no, total national income by total population. We will get the per capita income, that is per person income. Okay, triple P, per person per capita income. G is inequality. All the services and goods produced in a country but which are not distributed equally in all the portion of the country. So G is a factor which is define inequality. So the Emerson formula basically relate the welfare of the country, per capita income and inequality, because every services and production not to reach each and every person there is not equal distribution. So according to Emerson, there is a relationship between these three factors. Okay, GDP and welfare, gross domestic product and welfare. In 1919, economist Nobel Prize winner Emerson said, if the GDP of the country is rising, the welfare may not rise as the constituent. Given by Emerson.